Two people talking to each other over phone or video call is an example of interpersonal communication. Simran is going to speak in morning assembly in her school. Which of the following points she should focus during her speak? She should not repeat the same sentences. She should not. She should be confident. Maintain eye contact. Stand straight and be attentive. Which of the following is an example of oral communication? Phone call. What are the types of words we should use for verbal communication? Simple. Why do we use emails? To share documents and files. Dash is the exchange of communication or messages without using any spoken or written word. Non-verbal communication. Raising a hand to greet or say goodbye is an example of non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication includes gestures, expressions, and body language. Which of the following is not a non-verbal communication? Posture. It's a non-verbal communication. Posture. Okay. When we communicate verbally, we should use simple words. Classroom teaching is an example of verbal communication. When we greet someone by raising or waving hand, then we are communicating by non-verbal method using gestures. We can show our happiness or sadness to others by our facial expressions. Biting nails shows nervousness. Walking with a straight body posture shows confidence. Visual communication involves interchanging messages only through images. Visual communication means we can communicate through images or like that. That's parts means things. Okay. Some of the following is a positive, good facial expression. Maintaining eye contact. What does an upright body posture convey or show? Confidence. Which of these is not an appropriate non-verbal communication at work? Keeping hands in pocket while talking is not an appropriate non-verbal communication at work. Is not an appropriate. Okay. Keeping hands in pockets while talking. Talking at moderate speed. Sitting straight. Okay. Which of the following statement is true about communication? When percent communication is done using words. Which of the following is not the method of communication? Visible. Visual. Visual. It should be visual, not visible. Talking fast may show may show nervousness. It is given wrong. It should be nervousness. Basic principles of professional communication skills can are the 7 C's of communication. Some of the following are barriers of effective communication. Are linguistic. It should be linguistic, not all of the above. Text messages are often less effective than face to face communication. A sender sends information. The receiver provides feed, feedback on the received message. Feedback given by the receiver is positive or negative. A good feedback is always specific, helpful, and kind. Some of the following is a positive feedback. You have done a great. You have really long to reply to emails. You are not working hard. You keep forgetting to smile and sort. You have done a great job. You have done a great job. It answer. That is the final. mm, Feedback is the final component of the in the process of communication cycle. Feedback is defined as the response given by the receiver to the sender. Why feedback is important? To validate effective listening or motivate or it boost or all of the above. It validated effective listening, motivates and boosts learning. Which of the following is not a feature of feedback? None of the above. Which of these are examples of positive feedback? Excellent, your was improved. Which of these are examples of negative feedback? I hate you to tell you this, but your drawing skills are poor. Which of these is not the seven C's principle of communication? Compare. Which of the following seven C's principle is represented by the words use exact words and facts? Concentrate. Cons- Concentrate. Which of the following seven C's principle is represented by the word and be clear what you want to say? Clear. Which of the following seven C's principle is represented by the words include all the information needed? Complete. Which of the following seven C's principle is represented by the word words should make sense and related to the main topic? Coherent. The inability to communicate using a language is called linguistic barriers. Okay. People of different cultures are unable to communicate due to cultural barriers. It should be cultural barriers and linguistic barriers also be done. Can be done, sir. Which of these are ways to overcome language barriers? Using a translator. Which of these is not a common communication barrier? Financial barrier. Not a financial. Which of these help to overcome barriers to effective communication? All of the above. Writing skills is a part of verbal verbal communication. Which of the following is not the form of written communication? Not the form of written communication. Mobile. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence always begins with the word the. Uh-huh. A sentence always begins with capital A. A group of words which does not make complete sentence is known as a phrase. A group of words which does not make complete sense is known as a phrase. Okay. Which of the following punctuation mark is used to give and end a given sentence? Each mark is used to end a given sentence. It should be fully stopped. That is B. Which of the following punctuation mark is used to end a given sentence? What a beautiful dress. Yeah. A. Which of the following punctuation mark is used at the end of a word or a sentence to indicate a strong feeling? Exclamation mark. Which of the following punctuation mark is used at the end of a question? Question mark. How many punctuation mark are there in the given sentence? How many punctuation mark are there in the given sentence? How many punctuation mark? Two. Those words which are used to refer a person, place, idea, or thing is called a noun. It's a LKG question. Those words which are used in place of noun is called pronoun. Those words that show action is called verb. So the following line is not a basic part of speech. Action. Which of these sentences is capitalized correctly? C is capitalized correctly. That is stage D. She is arriving on Monday. So the following line is supporting parts of speech. All of the above. Which of the following joins two nouns, phrases, or sentences? Conjunction. Which of the following generally used before nouns? Articles. A and R are articles. On, in, over, under are prepositions. Okay, this is an important question. On, in, over, under are prepositions. Okay.